I want to walk through a problem on your Chapter 3 homework. This is Chapter 3. Please note that your numbers will be different when you get the question on your homework, and if you pull it up a second time, they're also going to be different again. This is so that you get the practice of working through this problem. But if you've got the formula and you've got it set up, then it's just a matter of plugging the numbers in. So electromagnetic radiation was measured to have a wavelength of 6.5 times 10 to the 11th. It's written kind of weird, but it is what it is. Meters. What is the frequency in hertz? Remember that hertz is the same thing as 1 over seconds, or seconds to the minus 1. Those all three mean the same thing. The other piece of information here is that we do have the speed of light involved because the formula is lambda nu equals c. The textbook listed it a slightly different way, but it's the same thing. So I need to solve for the frequency. That's going to be c over lambda. My units are all nice and set for me. This is in meters. Hertz is in 1 over seconds, and the speed of light is meters per second. So this all works out. So my formula becomes c, which is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters over seconds, divided by the wavelength, which is given up here. Again, your number may be different. My meters ends up canceling. My answer is in seconds to the minus 1, or hertz, and so that's good. I want to plug into my calculator. Yours looks something like this. I want to plug in this formula. I'm going to use scientific notation on my calculator. You may or may not be doing it this way. I'm going to plug in 3, and then I'm going to use my EE button. That is my scientific notation button, and it means times 10 raised to the 8th. And then I'm going to hit divided by 6.5. Again, my EE button is times 10 raised to the 11th. And when I do, I get this answer, 0.00461,538 ... in hertz. All right. You might also plug it in as 3 times 10 raised to the, I'm trying to find that button, raised to the, oh, it's here somewhere. I don't see the button. Anyway, there's also a 10 to the, you may have a, oh, there it is, raised to the 8th, divided by, whoops, now I need to, ooh, shoot, 3 times 10 raised to the 8th. I'm going to move my cursor forward to get it out. And then I'm going to hit divided by, I have to use parentheses if I use this times 10 raised to the power button, especially in the denominator, because of order of operation. If I don't use parentheses, I will get the wrong answer. So this is an alternate way. And again, when I plug it in and hit enter, I get exactly the same answer. Let's come back to our problem and look at how it wants it. We are going to have to put that in scientific notation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4.6, it wants 2 digits, times 10 to the, what did I say, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4 hertz. So I will type in the 4.6 here, the negative 4 here. This is times 10 to the negative 4. And then I'll write the units hertz.